Continuing with complex numbers, a number of the form IB is called a complex number. Okay, so even when we are talking of let's say 4i, it is still a complex number. Why? Because this can be written as 0 plus 4i. Anything, if you just have 1 and we are talking of complex numbers, then this can be referred to as 1 plus 0i or I0. So here what happens is that when we talk of a plus IB, a and b both belong to real numbers, right? A is called the real part of, let's say, right, real part of the complex number, and b is called the imaginary part of the complex number. We can say a complex number is equal to another complex number. Let's say this is a plus IB and this is c plus ID, right? So we can say that they are equal only when a equal to c and b equal to d. Let's look at a problem to understand this. Let's say 4x plus I 3x minus y equal to 3 plus I minus 6, right? So to solve this, what do we do? The real and the imaginary part. So 4x is real, 4x is equal to 3, right? They are equal, and I, we don't even have to mention I, and the other equation becomes 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. Yes, so x becomes 3 by 4, y is equal to minus y equal to minus 6 minus 3x, so y becomes 6 plus 3x, but we know x is 3 by 4, so 6 plus 3 into 3 by 4, which is plus 9 by 4, which is 6 4s are 24 plus 9, 33 by 4. Yes, so you just focus on the real part, equate them, then look at the imaginary part and equate them and solve. Okay, now let's actually do some operations, right? Let's look at addition. 7 plus 3i plus 6 minus 7i. This would be what? Just focus on the real and imaginary parts. So 7 plus 6, 13 minus 4i, right? Now you can actually just look at the problem and write the answers directly. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 12i. Then 14 plus 17i. 8. Now if you have been asked to write it in a plus ib form, then you have to write 8 plus 0i. Then the next one would be 9 minus 9i, right? Straightforward. Similarly, subtraction also. So 8 minus 2, 6 plus, no, remember here one additional tricky part here is that negative sign would get distributed, right? So 8 minus 4i minus 2 plus 10i. So 8 minus 4i minus 2 minus 10i. So this would become 6 minus 14i. So be careful of this. 9 plus I minus 10 minus 9i. 9 minus 10 plus I minus into minus plus 9i minus 1 plus 10i. 10 plus 5i minus 8 minus 10i. So 10 plus 5i minus 8 plus 10i. So 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 15i. 6 plus I minus 5 minus 2i. 6 plus I minus 5 plus 2i. 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 3i. 6 minus 8i minus 9 minus 9i. 6 minus 8i minus 9 plus 9i. 6 minus 9 is minus 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. So plus I. Okay, let's look at multiplication now. Now this 4 minus y, this will involve distributive property, right? 8 plus I. Remember distributive property, multiply this and this, right? So 4 times 8 is 32, right? And 4i minus 64i minus 8i square. So 32 minus 60i, I square is minus 1, so minus 1 becomes plus 8. So plus 8 is 40 minus 60i. Okay, so this is, again, be careful. 4 minus 9i, 4 minus 9i times 5 plus 6i. 5 4s are 20 plus 6 4s are 24i minus 9 5s are 45i minus 9 6s are 54i square. 20 minus 1 to 21i plus 54. So 74 minus 21i. 3 minus I times 4 minus 2i. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6i. Yes, minus 4i plus 2i square. Minus into minus. 12 minus 10i minus 2i square, because I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 is plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 10 minus 10i. 1 plus 5i times 3 plus I. 3 ones are 3 plus I plus 15i plus 5i square. So this becomes 3 plus 16i minus 5 minus 2 plus 16i. Okay, let's do division now. 8 plus 4i divided by 6 minus 10i. Okay, let's rationalize it. Plus and this becomes 6 square minus 10i square. 6 8s are 48 plus 80i plus 24i plus 40i square divided by 36 minus 100i square. 48 plus 104i minus 40 divided by 36 plus 100. 48 minus 40 is 8 plus 104i. 136. Now here what is common? 8 is common. 1 plus 8 ones 8, 2 24, 8 3 is a 24i. Again 8 ones 8, 5 remainder 56, 7 8 is a 56. So the answer is 1 plus 13i by 17. Okay, let's do another one. 9 minus 2i by 4 plus 7i. Again 4 minus 7i by 4 minus 7i. So 9 minus 2i, or we can directly do the multiplication. 9 4s are 36 minus 9 7s are 63i minus 8i plus 14i square divided by 4 square minus 7i square. 36 minus 63 plus 8, 71i minus 14 divided by 16 minus 7 7s are 49, 49i square. 36 minus 14 is 24. 24 minus 71i divided by 16 plus 49. 24 minus 71i divided by 9 plus 6 15, 5 1, 65. Okay, let's do some more. 7 plus I, 2 plus I. 7 to the, here there is a division. Okay, so 7 plus I divided by 2 plus I, 2 minus I by 2 minus I. 7 to the 14. Now let's see whether we can skip some steps. 7 to the 14. Okay, 14 minus 7i plus 2i. Minus 7i plus 2i is minus 5i. And then we have minus I square, which becomes plus 1. This is 4 minus I square. So minus I square means minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 1. So 15 minus 5i by 5, which is 5 common, 5, 3 minus I by 5. So the answer is 3 minus I. Okay, but remember, if you skip steps like this, the chances of you making a normal arithmetic mistakes is high. Okay, 10 minus 3i divided by 6 plus 4i. 6 minus 4i by 6 minus 4i. 10 6 is 60 minus 40i minus 18i plus 12i square. 36 minus 16i square. 60 minus 58i minus 12 by 36 plus 16. 60 minus 12 is 48 minus 58i by 6. Okay, so we can take something common out. So let's take it. Let's 48, 58, 2, 2 z, 2 4 z, 2 2 z, 2 9 z. Only 2 is common. Okay, 2, 24 minus 29i. Okay, let's do it neatly. Is equal to 2, 24, 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 29i, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Just keep verifying there, then and there itself. Okay, now you can cancel this. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 24 minus 29i by 26. Okay, last one. 8 minus 3i divided by 10 plus i. 10 minus I by 10 minus I. 80 minus 8i minus 30i plus 3i square. 10 square is 100 minus I square. 80 minus 38i minus 3 by 100 minus plus 1. 80 minus 3 is 77 minus 38i 101. I think that's enough for today. Bye for now.